Have you ever wondered what it would be like to see Earth from space or experience zero gravity? With groundbreaking technology and fierce competition among visionary companies, that dream might soon be within reach. Get ready to explore 7 pioneering companies shaping the future of space tourism and making the final frontier accessible for private travel. Join us as we uncover how these industry leaders are turning the impossible into reality, one mission at a time. Virgin Galactic commercial suborbital flights. Virgin Galactic, part of Richard Branson's Virgin Group, is a pioneer in making suborbital space tourism a reality. With its spaceplane VSS Unity, the company offers passengers an exhilarating journey to the edge of space, allowing them to experience weightlessness and view Earth from above. In 2021, Virgin Galactic successfully launched its first fully crewed flight with Branson himself aboard, marking a key milestone in the commercialization of space travel. The company's unique approach involves a reusable space plane that takes off and lands horizontally, reducing the need for large rocket fuel resources. Powered by a hybrid rocket motor, VSS Unity reaches speeds over 3 times the speed of sound, quickly propelling passengers to the edge of space. There, they experience several minutes of weightlessness and witness the Earth's curvature, offering a breathtaking, immersive experience. Safety and accessibility are central to Virgin Galactic's mission. While initial ticket prices were around $250,000, they have risen as the company refines its technology to enhance safety and comfort. Despite the high costs, demand remains strong, with thousands of future passengers already reserving their spots. To ensure a smooth experience, Virgin Galactic provides rigorous pre-flight training, preparing passengers for the physical demands of space travel. Virgin Galactic's achievements mark a monumental step toward commercial space tourism, making space accessible to civilians. While challenges such as safety improvements and high costs remain, the company continues to innovate and inspire, laying the foundation for a new era in travel. Virgin Galactic is not just creating space travel for astronauts, but for anyone willing to embark on this groundbreaking journey. SpaceX pioneering lunar and Mars tourism. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, is redefining space tourism with its ambitious plans for deep space journeys to the Moon and, eventually, Mars. Unlike other companies focusing on short suborbital experiences, SpaceX aims to offer multi-day missions that take passengers further than ever before. In 2017, Musk announced plans to send private passengers around the Moon aboard the Starship spacecraft, marking a bold step toward making space tourism a reality on a much larger scale. At the center of this vision is Starship, a fully reusable rocket designed to carry up to 100 passengers, which drastically reduces the cost of deep space travel. SpaceX's partnership with NASA's Artemis program will allow private tourists to experience lunar orbit and see the Earth from a distance, providing a unique perspective few have ever witnessed. This venture is set to be the first lunar tourism mission since humans last visited the Moon decades ago. Looking beyond the Moon, SpaceX has set its sights on Mars, with Musk's ultimate goal of establishing a human settlement on the Red Planet. Although Mars tourism is still many years away, SpaceX is actively developing the technology required for interplanetary travel. This includes reusable rockets, in-orbit refueling, and advanced life support systems to enable long-term missions. These innovations will eventually make it possible for humans to visit and even live on Mars. While lunar missions are expected within the next few years, Mars trips will take longer to materialize. However, SpaceX's progress, including recent test flights and missions like Polaris Dawn, shows that deep space tourism is becoming more achievable. SpaceX is not only making space travel possible for astronauts, but is also opening the door for adventurers looking to explore the cosmos. This bold vision is set to change how we think about space, making it an attainable destination for civilians in the not-so-distant future. Blue Origin vertical takeoff suborbital flights. Blue Origin, founded by Jeff Bezos, is a key player in space tourism, offering suborbital trips aboard its New Shepard rocket. Unlike other companies that use horizontal takeoffs, New Shepard features a vertical takeoff and landing system, providing passengers with a classic rocket experience. Since its first flight in 2021, New Shepard has taken passengers beyond the Kármán line, the boundary of space, offering views of Earth's curvature and moments of weightlessness before returning safely to Earth. These short trips last around 10 minutes, offering a thrilling experience to space tourists. New Shepard is fully reusable, helping lower costs and enhance sustainability. The rocket's capsule, which holds up to 6 passengers, features large windows for unparalleled views of Earth and space. Passengers can experience weightlessness and float freely within the cabin, while the reusable design allows for frequent flights, supporting Blue Origin's goal of making space tourism more affordable over time. In addition to suborbital tourism, Blue Origin is working on larger projects, including orbital flights and the development of the Blue Moon Lunar Lander for NASA's Artemis program. These efforts expand the company's role in space exploration, moving beyond tourism to play a part in future lunar missions and bases. Though space tourism with Blue Origin is still in its early stages, it has already attracted significant attention, including from Bezos himself. With plans for larger rockets like New Glenn, Blue Origin aims to make space more accessible to a broader audience, advancing its vision of sustainable and reusable space travel. Boeing the CST-100 Starliner for ISS missions. Boeing's CST-100 Starliner is a reusable spacecraft designed to transport astronauts to the International Space Station, or ISS. Developed under NASA's Commercial Crew Program, the Starliner offers a reliable option for space travel, capable of carrying up to 7 passengers or a mix of crew and cargo. Its main role is to support ISS missions, helping with crew rotations and scientific research, while also advancing NASA's push toward privatizing space operations. One of the key features of the Starliner is its reusability, with a design that allows it to be used for up to 10 missions, making space travel more cost-effective. The spacecraft is equipped with a safety-focused launch abort system, which can separate the capsule from the rocket in case of an emergency. It also docks autonomously with the ISS, simplifying the crew transfer process. Boeing has faced some challenges with the Starliner, including a failed test flight in 2019 due to a timing issue. However, after improvements, the spacecraft successfully completed an uncrewed test flight in 2022. Boeing is now gearing up for its first crewed mission to the ISS, expected soon, which will solidify the Starliner's role in space travel alongside SpaceX's Crew Dragon. In the future, Boeing hopes the Starliner will support private space missions, including potential space tourism and research. By providing a reliable spacecraft for both NASA and private ventures, Boeing aims to expand access to low Earth orbit, opening up new opportunities for scientific research and commercial space travel. 02 Infinity High-altitude balloon experiences. 02 Infinity, based in Barcelona, Spain, is a unique space tourism company offering high-altitude balloon experiences to the edge of space. Founded in 2009, the company aims to make space exploration more accessible and sustainable. Instead of using rockets, 02 Infinity employs helium-filled balloons to lift passengers to about 40 kilometers above Earth, providing a gentler, eco-friendly alternative to traditional space travel. This slower ascent allows passengers to enjoy panoramic views of Earth and the vastness of space without the physical intensity of a rocket launch. Their flagship experience, Balloon, features a pressurized capsule designed for up to 4 passengers and 2 pilots. The capsule takes around 2 hours to ascend, offering large windows for unobstructed views of Earth's curvature. This tranquil, smooth ride makes space tourism more accessible, appealing to people who may not meet the physical requirements of rocket-based trips. The combination of adventure and serenity allows passengers to fully appreciate the beauty of Earth from the upper atmosphere. A key advantage of 02 Infinity's approach is its minimal environmental impact. Unlike traditional rocket launches, which produce significant emissions, their balloon technology offers a low-emission alternative. After the experience, the capsule descends via parachute and the balloon is safely deflated and recovered. This eco-conscious model aligns with the company's mission to make space tourism both responsible and sustainable, appealing to environmentally aware travelers. Looking ahead, 02 Infinity plans to expand beyond tourism, developing balloon-based services for scientific research and satellite deployment. By bridging the gap between aviation and space, 02 Infinity is opening new possibilities for high-altitude exploration. Their innovative, sustainable approach makes them a standout choice for those seeking an awe-inspiring, eco-friendly journey to near space. Space Perspective. Edge of Space by Balloon. Space Perspective offers a relaxed and comfortable take on space tourism with its high-altitude balloon flights to the edge of space. Founded in 2019 by Jane Pointer and Tabor McCallum, the Florida-based company's Spaceship Neptune lifts up to 8 passengers 100,000 feet above Earth in a pressurized capsule attached to a hydrogen balloon. Unlike rocket launches, this 2-hour ascent provides a slow, scenic journey where passengers can enjoy views of Earth's curvature and space without experiencing the intense G-forces. Spaceship Neptune focuses on comfort, with large windows for breathtaking views, plush seating, and even a bar for a more relaxed atmosphere. The entire trip lasts around 6 hours, offering a peaceful, immersive experience as passengers ascend and descend gently back to Earth. This slow and steady approach makes it ideal for those seeking a more comfortable and leisurely space experience. Space Perspective's use of hydrogen balloons offers an eco-friendly alternative to traditional space travel, producing minimal emissions. After the flight, the capsule descends safely into the ocean, where it and the passengers are retrieved for reuse. This sustainable model aligns with the company's focus on environmentally responsible space tourism. Set to launch commercially in 2024, Space Perspective has already attracted interest, with tickets priced at around $125,000. The gentle and accessible nature of this balloon-based travel opens space tourism to a wider audience. By combining comfort, sustainability, and a unique experience, Space Perspective is bringing the dream of space exploration closer to reality for more people. Roscosmos pioneers in orbital tourism. Roscosmos, Russia's national space agency, was the first to make orbital tourism a reality, launching the world's first private space tourist, Denis Tito, to the International Space Station in 2001. This mission, done in collaboration with Space Adventures, demonstrated that civilians could safely experience space travel, paving the way for more private citizens to explore orbit. Since then, Roscosmos has sent several tourists, including Guy Laliberte and Anu Shu Shan Chiaiji Shais Dabadi Eid Ianshi Ansari to the ISS, establishing itself as a leader in space tourism. The Soyuz spacecraft, used by Roscosmos for these missions, is known for its reliability and long-standing history in space travel. Each space tourist undergoes thorough training at the Yuri Gagarin Cosmonaut Training Center to prepare for the challenges of space travel, from emergency procedures to the physical stresses of orbit. This rigorous preparation, along with Soyuz's trusted technology, makes Roscosmos a top choice for safe and successful space tourism. Roscosmos has continued to explore new tourism opportunities, including proposed lunar flyby missions with Space Adventures that would take private tourists around the moon, though these missions are still in development. The agency also works with international astronauts and private companies to expand the scope of space tourism, aiming to make low Earth orbit more accessible to civilians around the world. With a history of pioneering achievements in space tourism and its reliable Soyuz spacecraft, Roscosmos continues to shape the future of civilian space travel. Its expertise and ongoing efforts are driving forward the possibility of longer and more advanced missions, helping to bring space exploration within reach for more people. As we conclude our journey through the companies making space tourism possible, the dream of exploring space no longer feels like science fiction. With passionate innovators paving the way, the future of tourism lies beyond our atmosphere, offering experiences that redefine what it means to travel. If you enjoyed this exploration, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to InnoVision Tech. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Until next time, keep discovering the world's wonders with us.